It is Halloween. Kevin's gonna eat some chicken pesto and goat cheese wrap. Chicken pesto. Cause it's Halloween and nothing's scarier than a stomach virus. Yeah! You fucked it. Yeah. You do it. I'm not eating it.
Yeah, you are too.
Bro, take a time too.
Let's take a bite.
I'm taking a bite of some.
Fear no food.
Ew.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know. It doesn't matter because we're eating it.
And it's cold.
Alright, goat cheese wrap. Cheers.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Cheers. Chicken. Alright, cheers.
That's good. Do you like it?
Oh.
Tastes like fucking wrapped in butt cheese. Well, we're not doing that again. This is a horrible video, and if you're watching this, it's kind of stupid. I love you though.
Tell them what it is. What the fuck? What is this, dude?
We're on TV.
What the fuck do they need to do?
Go to hell.
What?
Subscribe or die.
That's right.
Cause if you don't subscribe,
There's
we're gonna find you.
Yeah, and then what are we gonna do with
We're gonna fucking kick him in the nuts.
Yeah.
We're gonna tie him to the radiator and rape him.
Yeah, so click the subscribe button. It's down there. Leave a comment. And fucking
We'll end the video now.